If you like model trains and you like Harry Potter, you may already know that there's a Hornby Hogwarts Express electric train set. But Hornby have also got a range of resin buildings that you can get to create a full Harry Potter layout. And that's from King's Cross all the way to Hogsmeade Station. We've already looked at King's Cross, but in this video we're going to be looking at Hogsmeade Station, and there's several different parts you can get to this. In this video we're going to be unboxing these and taking a look. Right, so that is everything unboxed. Now we're going to take a look at each one. Okay, so first up, this is the biggest part of the set. We've got the station building, and that's £59.99. We have the general office, that's £24.99. We have the booking hall, that's also £24.99. We have the footbridge, that's £34.99. And then we have a platform pack, and that's £24.99. So each one of these is its own separate pack. However, these smaller buildings, they do also come with their own bit of platform. Although they may all be separate, you can join them all together to create one impressive Hogsmeade layout. So let's have a go at that now. Okay, so this is the full layout. So we are missing the signal box and the waiting room, but even so, this is quite a complete looking set, I think. And just looking at it, like, there is a lot of details to this. The resin buildings themselves are really nice. I think you get good value for money with this. It looks exactly like it does in the films, and that's quite exciting because, like, me personally, I really like Harry Potter, and like, it's quite exciting to see it like this. And obviously as part of a layout, this would even be more exciting because you could have the Hogwarts Express actually coming into the platform here. There isn't any track included in any of these, but you get that with the train itself. Each section of the building though does come with its own part of the platform, so to get that full look with the platform there, you do need to get each separate building. However, you can get a platform pack, so you could use that to kind of replicate the lack of platform if you just wanted to get just that station building, for example. So if you're looking to create a Harry Potter layout, then this is perfect for you because it's so detailed, it looks exactly like it does in the films, and it will make a really impressive layout. There's loads of little details on the buildings, little signs which say Hogwarts and Hogsmeade and stuff like that. They've really put a lot of effort into making it look how it does in the films, but yeah, there's lots of little touches you'll appreciate as well. So this is Hogsmeade Station, but you can also get King's Cross. And if you put it all together, you can create the whole layout from King's Cross Station all the way to Hogsmeade itself. So if you're interested in creating the full layout, we do have a previous video where we looked at the train itself and King's Cross Station, so look out for that. And what's really exciting is we're actually going to be giving away all of this in a competition soon. Just look for the Railway Hub Facebook page and we'll be giving you more details on there soon. If you like this video, then subscribe to the Railway Hub YouTube channel for more content coming soon, or find us at therailwayhub.co.uk. Thanks for watching.